Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a true story that happened in Japan. So you don't skip this story and watch till end. Okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. In order to renovate the house, someone in Japan breaks open the wall. Japanese houses normally have a hollow space between the wooden walls. When tearing down the walls, he found that there was a lizard stuck there because a nail from outside hammered into one of its feet. He sees this, feels pity and at the same time curious, and when he checked the nail, it was nailed 10 years ago when the house was first built. What happened? The lizard was survived in such position for 10 years. In a dark wall partition for 10 years without moving, it is impossible and mind-boggling. Then he wondered how this lizard survived for 10 years without moving a single step since its foot was nailed. So he stopped his work and observed the lizard, what it has been doing and what and how it has been eating. Later, not knowing from where it came, appears another lizard with food in its mouth. He was stunned and touched deeply. For the lizard that was stuck by nail, another lizard has been feeding it for the past 10 years. Imagine, it has been doing that untiringly for 10 long years without giving up hope on its partner. Think, will you do that to your partner? Think that will you do it to your mom who brought you after a big struggle of 9 long months, or at least to your dad or friends or co-partners or your brothers and sisters? Imagine what a small creature can do that a creature blessed with a brilliant mind can't. As information and communication technology advances, our access to information becomes faster and faster, but the distance between human beings is it getting closer as well. Please, never abandon your parents and loved ones. Never say you are busy when they really need you. You may have the entire world at your feet, but you might be the only world to them. A moment or negligence with parents and loved ones might break the very heart which loves you through all odds. Before you say something to parents and loved ones, just remember, it takes a moment to break but an entire life to make. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.